Uno, due, tre.
Kick it.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. I have been emotionally unwell, so I took some time off and now I'm finally feeling like myself again, and also in desperate need of a change, especially for my hair. Look at this. It's such a mess right now, and I haven't been going to a hair salon since January, so I do have a terrible root situation. But for now, I am just going to attempt to color my hair. So after doing research on Pinterest and also Instagram, I realized that the trend nowadays is more like a subtle and subdued kind of color, which you can only see on a certain angle or when you put your hair up in a ponytail, and also those two blonde hair streak that Dua Lipa was rocking for a while, which I'm not really into. So upon looking up for inspiration on Pinterest, I found this girl. I believe she's some kind of K-pop idol because she's using a microphone. So I'm not really familiar with who this is. Please educate me in the comment section down below. But yeah, I was just in love with this hair, and looking at it, I think this is pretty doable since I pretty much have all the color that she's rocking here. To keep it all in the Korean theme, I'm also going to cut my bangs because look at this situation right here. The plan today is to do those wispy face framing Korean bangs, and I don't even have proper scissors for it. I only have this normal one, and also this, I think this is called the thinning scissors, which I got from the pet section in Daiso. So yeah, that is the plan for today. If you're interested, keep on watching. Alright, so I spent literally a good 20 minutes to section this hair, and the sun is literally setting behind me. All that effort made me realize that I am balding here. Look at it. I don't have enough hair here. Let's just do it. Not so bad. I think I cut too low there, but oh well. Okay, and we're going to thin this section out. I should have done this side first because it's harder. Gosh, just going to do it like so. Okay, the scissor is not cutting. Did I do it? Is that it? Wait, I think this side is longer. I think I did it. Ooh. So this is how my hair looks like. It honestly doesn't look that different because I haven't styled it, but I will do that after we color my hair. Alright, so this is what we are working with. I have here the purple, pink, and then this one is from the L'Oreal Colorista. This one is red, and this one is from Directions. This is the violet, tangerine, and apricot. I thought I have more of the orange, but I only have this full one, and I have not even tried this one before. And this apricot one only left a little bit, so yeah, hopefully that's enough, and that's it. All right, let's begin. Now first, I'm going to section my hair. I think that's about right. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna clip all this hair away. Alright, so from this section, I'm going to divide it into two. So the bottom part will be orange and red, and then the top half is going to be pink and purple. So the tangerine looks very red. I probably will dilute it a little bit with conditioner. Okay, it looks slightly diluted. Now it looks slightly orange. Previously it was really red. Alright, let's see how this goes. So I'm going to leave the ends and use the apricot color. The apricot, it doesn't even look that different though. I guess I should have start from the behind part first. Yeah. So difficult. Or should I just leave it like that? Bare, really bare. Oh! I dropped some on the floor. This one's gonna leave it slightly bare at the ends. But this front area is gonna be with apricot, just to be symmetrical. Hey guys, so I decided to add a little bit of red. You probably can't really tell the difference, but I decided to add red instead of leaving it bare, just to add a little bit more dimension. And now I'm going to wrap my hair with oil. So this is actually not the first time that I did this kind of hair color. I did it like, I think in 2013, you know, when Selena Gomez colored her hair like pink, blue, and purple highlights. I was obsessed with that hair, and it's actually pretty similar to the reference picture because my hair was brunette as well, and I was really happy with that. It was actually my first time ever bleaching my hair, or at least getting color to my hair, so that was at the time rebellious. But way before that, I actually already did some kind of like colored highlight extension, which I did with my friend, and that was fun because we did it together, so we had like twin hair in a way. Those were the days. Alright, so I'm done with the purple and pink side. Now we're gonna wait 20 minutes and then we're gonna rinse. Finished look. It's definitely slightly different from the reference picture, and if I were to do it again, I would probably do it like slightly higher, like from up here, just so that it looks more visible when I put my hair down like this. But overall, I'm really happy about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and also check out my other hair related videos. I will link it down in the description box below and also in the cards up here, so you can watch it after this video. So yeah, that is all for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!